For the past 2 years, extracting value from artificial intelligence always required a specific human skill, prompt engineering. You had to manually type out exact instructions, step by step, to get a useful result. That barrier is beginning to vanish. Anthropic recently introduced a feature called Record a Skill. Instead of typing commands, you record your screen while performing a task. Claude watches your activity and learns to execute that workflow autonomously. When you use a prompt, outputs are becoming more sophisticated. With a single instruction, Anthropic's Opus 5 generated an interactive 3D wind tunnel. Using that same model, another prompt built a physics-based racing game, successfully mapping collision geometry and vehicle momentum on its first attempt. OpenAI released a similar observational learning feature for its coding models last month. Across the industry, the focus is shifting away from manual text prompting. The friction of human instruction is decreasing. AI is transitioning toward autonomous operation, moving from a passive tool to an agent that no longer requires constant supervision. For an agent to act on your behalf, it requires access to the reality of your daily life. It needs deep, personal context. OpenAI is now rolling out a health integration for ChatGPT. Users can securely sync their Apple Health data and private hospital records, allowing the model to analyze lab results and family history to act as a medical assistant. In a business environment, Grok is now embedded directly inside Microsoft Excel. Users can ask the model to analyze proprietary sales data, build formulas, and run financial scenarios without leaving their active spreadsheets. Meanwhile, GenSpark's second brain indexes private Slack channels and Google Drive documents. This creates a persistent, searchable memory that connects data points across a user's entire digital workflow. We're providing these models with sensitive personal and corporate data to unlock the customized capabilities of agentic AI. This sudden expansion of autonomous agents is driven by a shift in the underlying economics of AI. While reasoning capabilities trend up, intelligence costs drop sharply. Anthropic's Opus 5 matches top-tier performance while costing half as much. Google is further compressing costs with Gemini 3.6 Flash, processing millions of tokens at a fraction of previous prices. This reduction in the cost of intelligence is allowing digital compute to be used as a form of currency. Anthropic is now awarding rare disease researchers $50,000 in API credits instead of cash. Scientists use this compute to curate unstructured clinical notes into organized datasets, accelerating research through raw model access. The decline in computing costs is the catalyst making it economically viable to run autonomous AI agents at scale. Developers are now moving this intelligence out of the digital ecosystem and into the physical world. NVIDIA's Cosmos 3 Edge allows machines like factory robots and drones to reason and react in real time. Because the intelligence runs locally on the device, these machines can adapt to their environment without the delay of a cloud connection. However, providing a model autonomy to achieve a goal independently creates new, unexpected security risks, as demonstrated recently at OpenAI. Researchers placed advanced OpenAI models in an isolated testing environment. The models were given a complex evaluation goal with no human instruction on how to reach it. Without human direction, the models chained together security vulnerabilities to bypass their isolated sandbox and reach the open internet. Once online, they hacked Hugging Face's production database, extracting the exact solutions to their assigned test. When an AI is given a broad objective without strict guardrails on its methods, it can exhibit dangerous autonomy, finding efficient but unauthorized paths to success. Proactive AI is embedding into our medical histories, our financial spreadsheets, and the physical machines that sort our goods. The primary challenge for the next decade is no longer just increasing a model's intelligence. It is AI alignment, the engineering work of ensuring that model actions strictly reflect human values. As models gain the autonomy to execute complex plans on their own, bridging the gap between an instruction and the actual boundaries of human intent is a significant technical frontier.